give you all some cubes. They're in a tower and you have 10 of them. I want you just to leave them in your tower. So are you going to break them? No. Please park your crayons on your pencil box. You're not touching them. Because you're only going to use those when I tell you. I don't want you to touch this yet. I'm going to put it down in front of you. Just wait. If you got it, say, I got it, Mrs. Birch. Okay. Oops. You're not touching it yet. Not touching it yet. Jair, they're just parked on top. We just had cupcakes, so we're sugar high. Never gets it because we right away were. It's interesting. You can tell. You can always tell. My sweets. I'm going to give you like 30 seconds. I want you to make with your 10 cubes, think and listen, a tower, 2 towers that are both the same. So wait, just watch me. If I break it here, are these both the same? No. So I need you to figure out how to make 2 towers that are exactly the same. When you're done, put them on the table. Go. Figure out how to make 2 towers that are exactly the same. So break them. See if you can figure out how they can both. Prince already has it. Good job, babe. Mason's got it. Awesome. Sit them on the table. Yep. Nice job. Karina, I marked you present for school, sweetie. You should have 2 towers that are exactly the same. London and DeAndre. Just in front of you.
Okay, so that's 2 total. We need 2 that are separate.
My sweets, when you are done, I want you to tell me how many cubes are in each tower. I'll hold these still so you, Mitchell and Karina, you at home can count. Raise your hand and tell me how many cubes are in each tower. Don't blurt it. Raise your hand and tell me. Use all your cubes. I mean, you need to use all your cubes, babe. 5K, tell me how many cubes are in each tower on 2. 1, 2. 5. My loves. Now, here's why you have your crayons. Your towers, you can stand up on your table. And I want you to leave a space between them. Do you see how I have a space between them? Leave a space between them. You're going to use your crayons now. Boys and girls, 5 is the same as 5, right? Yes. So we could say this. 5 equals 5. Say that with me. 5 equals 5. One more time. 5 equals 5 because they're both the same. My loves, you took out 2 crayons. You're going to use your crayons to make an equal sign. So take your crayons. I want you to make an equal sign between your 2 towers. You just said 5 equals 5. You can set them on the table. I just can't because they'll fall. Jair, if you're playing, I'm taking them away. You can just make your equals. You got it, DeAndre. You can just set your equals on the table. My sweets. What I want you to do next is look up here. This tower here on the left, watch what I do. I'm going to take 1 cube off. My loves, take 1 cube off the tower on the left. Bridget, take 1 cube off the tower on the left, put it on the tower on the right. And this time, my loves, I want you to lay them down on the table. If you don't know what that looks like, you can look at Tamia up here. She has her cubes laying down. If you're in the back, look at Prince. He has his towers laying down on the table. Are both of your towers the same anymore? Raise your hand. Are they both the same? Ryan? No. How many cubes are in your tower on the left? Raise your hand. How many cubes are in your tower on the left? Adelia. 4. Okay. How many cubes are in the tower on the right? 4 on the left. How many are in the tower on the right? London. Nope. You took the 1 off and put it over here. It is 6. Yep. Oh, you are right. 4 and 6 are not the same. I brought a little friend. He's my alligator. Sometimes his mouth looks this way. Sometimes his mouth looks this way. My alligator always wants to eat the number who is bigger because my alligator likes to be nice and full. So my alligator is never going to eat the smaller number. My loves, which number is my alligator mouth going to want to eat? Is my alligator mouth going to want to eat number 4? Or is my alligator mouth going to want to eat number 6? Raise your hand. Which number is he going to want to eat? Jaden. He's going to want to eat number 6. You got it, because 6 is bigger than 4. My loves, you don't have an alligator mouth. You took out 2 crayons. I want you to use your 2 crayons to make the alligator mouth. And put it towards your bigger tower of 6. Open it up so it looks like it's going to eat your tower of 6. You got it, Kylan. Good girl. And then you can just set them on the table. I can't set mine down because they'll fall. Kylan, you got it. She's not even touching her cubes. She's not touching her crayons. Prince has got it. Jordan's got it. Bridget's got it. DeAndre's got it. My loves, say 4 is smaller than 6.
4 is smaller than 6.
We could say it this way. Say 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. Yeah, because the alligator is going to want to eat the bigger number. All right, my sweets. I'm going to take my alligator away. Watch. Watch. This tower on the right, your one that has 6, take that tower that has 6. Your tall tower. Take your tall one that has 6. Take off 3 cubes. You're going to put those other 3 on your tower on the left. Ooh, baby. If you don't know what it should look like, look at mine. I have 3 over here, and I put the rest on the other tower. Holy moly. You got it. There you go. Now put those all together. Yep. Ooh, baby. All right. How many cubes are in our tall tower on the left? Raise your hand. Bridget. 7. Boys and girls, say, you got it, Bridget.
You got it, Bridget.
How many cubes are in the tower on the right? 5K, you can just tell me.
3.
To make your alligator. I have mine right here. Which number is my alligator going to want to eat? Is he going to want to eat 7? Or is he going to want to eat 3? Raise your hand to tell me. Who's the bigger number? He always wants to eat the bigger number. Who's my alligator going to want to eat, Nazir? The 7. My loves, use your crayons to make your alligator's mouth open up to eat your. I love it. You have your crayons down. You're not touching them. You're giving me a thumbs up. Good, London. Good, Ryan, Adelia. 7 is bigger than 3.
7 is bigger than 3.
We could say it this way. Say 7 is greater than 3. 7 is greater than
3.
Oh, boys and girls, say, I get it.
I get it.
Say, look at my little alligator
Look at the alligator.
eating the bigger number.
Eating the bigger number.
Okay, watch. Your little tower of 3, grab that tower. Take off 2. Put those 2 on your tall tower. I can't get it to stay. There we go. I need you to tell me now how many are on the left. How many are on the left? Jaden. 9. Say, whoa, baby.
Whoa, baby.
We got 9 on the left. Oh, how many are on the right? Oh, say poor little guy. All right, you need to use your crayons. I'm not going to show you with my alligator. Just hold on, sweetie. Show me which numbers your alligator is going to want to eat. Use your crayons to make the mouth. Is he going to want to eat 9? Or is he going to want to eat 1? You show me. I'm going to look and see. Yep. 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 Okay, do it, sweetie. Which one is he going to want to eat? You got it. You got it. Kylan, high five. You got it. You got it, Jair. You got it, Jordan. You got it, Jaden. You got it, Prince. Jaden, you got to turn yours so it's open to the 9. Mason, high five. Adelia, high five. Ryan. London, you got to fix your mouth. And you got it. Good job, Samir. My sweets, you all did it. Your mouth is eating number 9. Say 9 is greater than 1.
9 is greater than 1.
All right, last thing. Take your crayons, put them on your pencil box, please. Put your 1 cube on top. Put your 1 cube on top so you have 10 again. I want you to count. Watch. Jordan, that's plain. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Pull off 3. Go. And then look up here. You put your 3 down on the table. Now look up here. I have my tall one still. Look. Watch. DeAndre, you're not watching. 1, 2, 3. Your extra cubes, I want you just to put on your pencil box. 3, 3. Your extra ones go on your pencil box. 3, 3. Nazir, double check. You are a great. Kylan, you are listening. Tamia, you are listening. Jaden, you are listening. Yep. You should have 3, 3. Your other cubes are on your pencil box. 3, 3. These ones. Where's your alligator mouth gonna go? Raise your hand and tell me, what are you gonna do with your crayon? Jordan. Weird. What are we gonna do with our crayons? He's not gonna eat both of them. We got to put something here in the middle. What sign are we going to put in the middle? What did you say? Why is it in equals, Mason? 3 equals 3. They are both the same. My loves, use your crayons. Make your equal sign between them. 3 equals 3. 5K, do that with me. Ready, set, go. 3 equals 3. Kiss your brains. My loves, I have a paper that we're going to color and draw your alligator mouths now. And then we're going to do our worksheet. Both are super easy. They're both a piece of cake. What I would like you to do, listen very carefully. Prince, you are doing great. I'm going to write your name up here. You're going to be getting a little something special from me because you were following all of my directions so carefully. You are going to make a tower of 10 again. So stack up all your cubes. Stack them all up, and I just want you to lay them on your name tag or behind your name tag because you're not playing with them. Tamia, your name's already up there. Just stack up your cubes, lay them on your name tag because you're not touching them. Mitchell and Karina, my loves, you have this next paper in your packet. So I want you to take out, open up your packet to 108A. My loves, I want you to keep one crayon out. Sorry, Miss Kuda. And take out your pencil. Yes, you may. Take out one crayon, one pencil. Thank you, dear. One crayon, just pick one color, one pencil. Prince already has it done. He has out one crayon and one pencil.
Like this. You make yours look like this. Place your, there you go. Good job.
I mean,
Yep.
I'm going to add some names up here. I need to add Prince. He has out one crayon and one pencil. Adelia. Mason. Ryan. One crayon and one pencil. Jaden, good job. My sweets, I will keep adding more names as I see you guys doing a good job. My sweets, what I need you to do is write your name at the top with your pencil, please. Write your name at the top and then stop. Name at the top. Then you can grab your crayon. Just write as best you can, sweetheart. The number underneath tells us how many we will color. How many are we going to color here at the top? Prince, honey. Only 2. My loves, we're going to start at the bottom. We're going to pretend like these are our cubes. So if it says color 2, I'm just going to go 1, 2. I'm just going to color those 2 at the bottom. My loves, color those 2 little rectangles at the bottom for 2 cubes. Don't color the other ones, just the 2 on the bottom. If you need an extra, I have one. My sweets, how many are we going to color? 2. Now we're going to color 2 over here. So my loves, you're going to do the same thing. Mark off 2. Color those 2. Then it's alligator time.
Not this side, please.
Whistling. Yes. Nope. My loves, you can grab your pencil. What sign are we going to put here in the circle? In the circle, we need to put an equals. We need to put a greater than sign if the alligator wants to eat this tower, or a less than sign if the alligator wants to eat this tower. What sign are we going to put in there? Jordan. In equals. You got it, sweetheart. Why are we putting an equals in there? Because they're both the same. 2 equals 2. No. Your crayon. How many are we going to color here in the middle? Raise your hand. Middle left. How many are we coloring, Jaden? 4. My sweets, color 4 carefully. Mitchell and Karina, I know you guys are doing a great job at home. How many are we going to color on the right, my sweets? Prince, 2. All right. Oh, this one's different. Are we going to need an equal sign now? No, because the numbers are not the same. Hold on, sweetie. So which numbers are alligator going to want to eat? Raise your hand. Which number is the alligator going to want to eat? Jaden. 4. My loves, I need to teach you how to draw this. Here's an easy way to remember. Your pencil's always going to start by the bigger number. So my loves, look what I do. I'm going to touch the edge of the circle over here by 4 with my pencil. I'm going to go back to the 2 and go back to the 4. So it looks like my alligator's eating number 4. So touch by the bigger number on the circle. Go back to the 2 and go back to the 4. So my alligator's eating number 4 because it's bigger. 4 is bigger than 2. Say that with me. 4 is bigger than 2. Or you can say it this way. 4 is greater than 2. Say that with me. 4 is greater than 2. You got it. My loves, I want you to color this one at the bottom by yourself. You guys know 1. You guys know 3. We'll talk about the alligator in a little bit. Go, color the ones at the bottom. I'm seeing very good listening. When you're done, raise your hand and tell me which number is the alligator going to want to eat. London, who's he going to want to eat? The 3. So my loves, take your pencil. You're going to start on the circle by the 3. You're going to go back to the 1 and go back to the 3. So his mouth is open to the 3. Always start at the bigger number. Touch by the 3 on the circle. Go back to the 1. Back to the 3. My loves, say 1 is less than 3. Do it again. Say 1 is less than 3.
1 is less than 3.
Bridget, don't forget to make a sign with your pencil. My loves, please turn your paper over. All you need now is your pencil. You don't need to write your name because you have it on the other side. When you see gray coloring that the computer did, that's called shading. Okay, the computer shaded it. It's in gray. All you have to do is count how many gray do you see on the top left? Ryan, how many? 3. All right, everybody write a 3. Ryan, how many do you see on the top right? 3. What sign do we need in that circle? Kylan, what sign do we need in that circle? For 3 and 3. What did you say, babe? Equals, because they are both the same. Say 3 equals 3.
3 equals 3.
You guys are doing great. Mr. Porter, do I have any of those tasty M&Ms left on my desk? Ooh, all right, because I see really good work. All right, my loves. Oh my, this one's completely shaded gray in the middle left. Leave those alone. How many are completely shaded in the middle left? 5. Yep, so let's write 5. Good, Zaya. How many are shaded on the right to me? Or do I need an equals? What do I need, Adelia? No. So which number is my alligator going to eat? 5. So my loves, start by number 5. Good job, Bridget. Good job, nice ear. My loves, last one at the bottom. Then we're going to do our worksheet and we'll get outside early because you guys are rocking it today. Well, that's actually, go ahead. How many are shaded on the left? Bottom left. Jordan, help me out, babe. How many are shaded on the bottom left? I've lost Mitchell and Karina at home. Let me turn it. Sorry about that. On the right. Samir, how many are shaded on the right? 5. Yep. Who's bigger? Or do I need an equal sign? Jair, what am I going to do, sweetie? The alligator wants to eat the... Yep, you got it, babe. Good job, Jair. My loves, what you're going to do is start by the 5, go back to the 2, and go back to the 5. So your mouth's eating the 5. You got to do it the other way, sweetheart. So listen to my directions. Start by the bigger number. So you're going to start by 5. Go back to the 3, and then go back to the 5. And that way your mouth's always eating the bigger number. Now write a 2. My loves, I just want you to keep your paper right where it is. That way we can get outside. One time. I'm going to give you your math papers. Sorry, Zaya. We're going to do this math paper. Then it's time to go outside. Mitchell and Karina, please take out 108A. You did it. Good job, babe. Proud of you. Good girl. Jaden. All right. My loves, you're going to leave your cubes alone. Just leave them alone. And you just need your pencils and your pencil boxes, just like before. I guess I'll just do this. That's what I was trying to avoid. Can you just leave it, sweetheart? I'll do it later. All right. There's a couple. No, there's just 2 no names.
Okay.
All right. I need you to scooch up to the table. Scooch up. Tamia, you need to write your name at the top. Who does not leave those on the table, please? You need to write your name at the top. Oh, that was way less efficient. Today's the 12th. My loves, what number do you see at the top of your paper? A 9 and an 8. What number do you see at the top for a 9 and an 8? My loves, what number does a 9 in it? And make it 4 times. If you are humming, please stop. Because that keeps the rest of us from focusing. Lost you guys again because you're backwards. Sorry about that. Two, yep. 4. All right, count by twos using his ears. Ready, set, go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. My loves, you. So we did not put our next number up for DeAndre's birthday, but you wrote it at the top of your paper. Today is May what? What's the date today? DeAndre? Of tally marks. After we do tally marks, you can get that sharp. Three, 4, tally up 5, 6. Two full 5s and 2 extras. Boys and girls, say little tiny penny time. Say that one more time. Say little tiny penny. My loves, it says Jeanne counted 26 pennies. We need to put them in groups of 10 and extras. So my loves, we need to write 26 over here next to this box. Can you write a 26 next to the box? How many 10s we need and how many 1s we need. So write a 26 over here next to the box. Which number's in the 10s place? The 2 or the 6? Mason. The 2, my loves, on top of the 2, please make a T for 10s. There are 2 10s, Zaya. And then if there are 2 10s, how many extras are there, Prince? How many 1s? 6. Yep, so write an O on top. Say little tiny penny time. Do you remember when I had you make 10 little pennies and we put a box around them? Do you remember that? Yeah. Say, oh, I sure do. Do you need to watch me or can you do it by yourself? All right, so you watch me first. So here we go. Just watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I put a box around those. Now you guys do it. Little tiny penny time. Ten pennies in a box. Make sure they're little. I have more. You want to try in? I see little tiny pennies. So cute on your paper. Good job, you guys. How many 10s did you just make? 1 10. So you need to write a 1 right here next to it. Write a tiny little 1. How many 10s do we need to have though? 2. So we need to draw another little 10 pennies. Say 10 little pennies. You're going to do it again right underneath. Make 10 more little pennies in a box. Quietly. 10. Go. Ten more in a box. Little tiny penny time. 10 more in a box. Honey, 10 more pennies. Bridget, you are quick. Oh, and you even have your extras done down there. You really remembered, sweet girl. My loves, how many 10s do you have? 1 10, 2 10s. You need to write a little 2 out here. Write a little 2. Thanks, Prince. So now we have 2 10s. And how many 10s do we need? 2 10s. Say check. We did it.
Check, we did.
How many little extras do we need to make? Raise your hand. How many little extras do we need to make, Jaden? My loves, I want you to make your 6 extras. You can't make them big because we actually have to make more. Look at her friend gives her more. So I need you to make 6 little extras down here in the corner. Make them little. Just 6 little ones down here in the corner. Bridget, you're fine.
Small.
6 little guys. Bridget, that's perfect.
9, 10.
Hold on. London, just 6, babe, not 10 this time, just 6 little guys. DeAndre, good listening, sweetie. My love, say we did it.
We did it.
Oh, but then it says her friend Sherry gave her 10 more pennies. Say, oh my goodness. So penny time. So how many more pennies do we need to draw? 10. My loves. So this is why I had you do it down here in the corner. So now you have room up here. If you have room underneath, make 10 more little ones. If you need to go up here, wherever you have room, make 10 more little pennies in a box. Go. Ten more little pennies. Good, Zaya. I see really nice work this time. Did you get it this time, babe? What's my number sentence going to look like? How many pennies did she start with? Look at the number you wrote right here. And a 6 makes what, Jaden? She started with 26. So my loves, down here for your number sentence, you need to write 26. She started with 26. What sign do I need? Think about what we did. Look, did we cross any off? What sign do I need, Tamia? Not a cent sign. I mean, she is counting money. You're right. It doesn't ask us how much money. But way off, we made more. What sign means I got more? Nope. Plus. How many? What did you say, sweetie? 10. You're right. So you need to write a 10. Then, Tamia, now I need an. You got it, babe. Now, there's 2 ways we can figure this out. We can count by 10s and extras. Or, you know, when I add 10 to a number, if I find 26, I just move my finger down. So 26 plus 10 is going to be 36. Let's double check. Count by 10s and extras with me. Let's see if we're right. Count your groups of 10 and extras. Ready? By 10. Set. Go. 10, 20, 30, switch, 31, 32, good counting, 33, 34, 35, 30. Were you right? Yeah. How do I write 36? Oh. How do I write 36? 30 sounds like it starts with a 3. Good girl. 30 means 3. 6 means 36. A 3 and a 6. Yeah. 30 means 3. 6 means 6. How many pennies does she have now, my loves? 36. Yep, so we need to write 36 again. Jair. All right. My sweets, we are almost done. You guys are doing great. It says circle the number cards. Oh my. If it says cards with an S, that means more than 1. That you can put where the letter A is. Okay. So, my loves, which number's in the tens place in the number 37? DeAndre, you need to leave that alone, sweetheart. Who's in the tens place, Prince? The 3. My loves, underline the 3. This is just like when we find the bigger number and put numbers in order. Underline the 3 in the tens place. Now, my sweets, look at number 48. Who's in the tens place, the 4 or the 8? The 4. Underline the 4. Adelia, make sure you're doing this. Get off my bladder. Now look at 56. Oh, this is, as we get bigger, longer, this is getting worse. 56. Who's in the tens place in 56, Jordan? No, in 56. The 5 or the 6, babe?
5.
Yep, underline the 5. And how about in 58? Jair, who's in the tens place in 58? Yep, underline the 5. Now we need to do these cards because we're going to look at who belongs there. Who's in the tens place in 45? Raise your hand, babe. Yeah, 4. Underline the 4. Who's in the tens place in 14? In the tens place, sweetie, in 49. Hold on, sweetie. Who's in the tens place in 55? Mason, who's in the tens place in 55? Yeah, the first 5. Who's in the tens place for 59? Samir.
9.
And 56, you're looking at these guys out here. 48 and 56. Which one of these numbers or 59 could go where A is? Which one of those cards could go there, Prince? Between 48 and 56. What, honey? 59 or 49? Are you saying 49 or 49? Yes, you are right, sweetheart. After 48 comes 49. Say, good job, Prince.
Good job, Prince.
My loves, you need to circle 49. He's right. That could go there. Sorry, sweetie, I can't hear you with a mask on. It's tricky. That's why I have to ask you so many times. Good job, babe. You really were thinking and looking because I saw you looking at your paper. Which others of these cards could go where? 6. Jaden. 45, 55, or 59? Who can go for A in between 48 and 56? 45? Let's count and see. Start at 48 with me. Ready, set, go. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Did we say 45? No, that one's small. That one's going to be in here. So not 45. What number did we say? Jair. 55, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Circle 55. Say ding, ding, ding. You got it. My loves, you're going to shade with your pencil because your little squares are so tiny for a crayon. The towers. Shade in 3 with your pencil. I'm still using my brown pencil. When you're done, raise your hand and tell me what sign do I need in this circle. You got to shade them, honey. Color them. Color 3. Bridget, I'll ask you in just a second. I'm going to give more children time to finish. Bridget, honey, what sign do we need? An equals, because they're both the... All right, make an equal sign in your circle, my loves. 5K. I'll fold this up so you guys can see. My loves, now you can do 1 and 4. Color your 1, color your 4. Just wait, sweetie. We're going to go in a little bit. This is just what we learned today. Showing greater than, less than, or equal to. Good job, Prince. You guys are working hard. We'll get right outside, right on time at 1 o'clock. You already know which way the alligator is going to go, don't you? I love it. Raise your hand. Who's my alligator going to want to eat? Jaden. Yeah, the 4 is way bigger. So my love, start by number 4. Go back to number 1 and back to number 4. So your alligator eats number 4. Start by number 4. Go back to number 1, back to number 4. So touch by 4. Nope, touch by 4. Go back to number 1, back. There you go, babe. All right, my sweets. Now I want you to do 5 and 3. Shade with your pencil. When you color with gray, it's called shading. 5 and 3.
Oh, it is fun.
I mean, I completely agree. Where's our alligator going to go, Ryan? To the 5. You got it, my loves. He's going to want to eat 5 because 5 is bigger than 3. So start by 5, Zaya. Go back to the 3. Back to the 5. So he's eating the 5. My loves, we just need to add at the bottom. Paper, we add the paper pennies. 4 and 1 more. You guys know how to do this. Kylan, 4 and 1 more makes. That is 5. Yep. I know, honey. I said he could go, sweets. How about 6 and 2? $8. Yep. Thanks, Miss Kuda. 85 cents. And they have the cent sign, so you don't need to write it. let's start on the penny side. 3 plus 4. Adelia. Yes. 3 and you hop 4 more is 7. If you look at your name tag, 3 and you hop 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 7. My loves, all of you know this one. 3 and you get 1 more. 3 and 1 more makes what, DeAndre? You have 3 cookies and then I give you 1 more. Now you have 4. Yep. 4. Hold on, sweets. Write your answers and then you can go when Jair comes out. All right, last one. 5 and 2 more. Mason, what's 5? And you hop 2 more times. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yep. And we already did this one. 4 and 1 more makes 5. 57. My sweets, you did a great job. Look at what time it is. 1:00. DeAndre, you may go. London and Kylan, you may go wait by the bathroom. Karina and Mitchell, thanks for joining, my loves. I'll see you tomorrow for Bible lesson, but no math meeting tomorrow, okay? Bye, my sweets. My loves. Hold on, sweetie. I'll tell you what to do with